Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the toUpperCase method in the string prototype. So what it does, this method returns you a calling a string value by and convert to uppercase. If there isn't one, then because everything is uppercase and you want uppercase, how that could be. So what we need to do is first we need to create a string and something like something yeah something, and you want to uppercase, your program needed to everything to be uppercase. So how are we gonna do that? You need sentence str dot to uppercase, and when you do that and call the function and log it in a console, it will give you everything in uppercase. Simple as that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.